Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your baby vlogs. Today we have a very useful topic that will help our mothers and the incoming mothers to know how to protect their baby when the baby is crawling. In today's topic, what we have is crawling in babies. What is crawling in babies? Method of crawling in babies, importance of crawling in babies, and also how to help your baby to crawl. For example, what is crawling? Crawling is the first and longest period of time that your baby will be putting weight through their hands to develop strength and stability at their shoulder. This is also important because it allows them to have control over their hands for the skills such as feeding themselves. Method of crawling in babies. We have belly crawl. This crawling is also known as commando or combat crawl because the baby is crawling with only upper body. The classic crawl, the baby is all four, which means hands and knees with the tummy on the floor. Then we have bear crawl. The bear crawl use all four limbs to get around. It is also like classic crawl, but the difference is that the crawl uses hands and feet on the floor rather than hands and knees, which keep the arms and leg unbent. The crab crawl, the baby pushes with their arms instead of pulls, which has the unintended and often frustrating of sending them backward, just like the little crab. The roll crawling. Some baby get so good in rolling. That is because it is their primary ways to get around. We have leapfrog crawling. In this leapfrog crawling, the body made a bridge with their arms and leg and then thrust forward. Importance of crawling in a baby before walking. It increases their lower back in preparation of their upright position, preparing the ankles for the flexibility of walking, exercising spinal rotation, strengthening hand and eye coordination. Then how to help your baby to crawl if that baby has reached the maximum of crawling. Giving your baby an adequate tummy time, giving your baby a little extra motivation, providing a very good comfortable place for the baby to explore. Then also get on the floor and crawl with the baby. I know with all these tips, you are able to take care of your baby when she or he is crawling or about to crawl. Please be with me on this channel. Don't forget to watch to the end, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you very much for your time. See you next time, and God bless you. Bye bye.